Now baby girl looks pretty happy. Hello, Carissimo. Is it nice outside today? So we're going outside to lay out in the sunshine. Or the shade as you are doing. There you go. Baby girl laying in the shade. Hello, baby girl. Sticking her tongue out, being happy. Hey, sweetie. Bless you.